and welcome to my channel. I'm your host Mohsen Ali and you are watching Global Scope News. In today's video, we are diving deep into the life and careers of Kamala Harris, the first female, first black and first South Asian Vice President of the United States. From her early beginnings in California to her significant role in the Biden administrations, we will explore her journey in the detail. The extensive look will cover the upbringing, educations, careers, milestones, and her current impact on American politics. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth content and updates of influential figures. Kamala Harris was born on October 20, 1964 in Oakland, California. Her family background played a crucial role in shaping her values and career path. Her mother, Shamala Gopalan, was a prominent cancer researcher from India who moved to the United States for her graduate studies. Shamala's work in the field of breast cancer research was groundbreaking and earned her recognitions in her field. Kamala's father, Donald Harris, was an economist from Jamaica, known for his work in economics and his involvement in the civil rights movements. Growing up in a family deeply committed to education and social justice. Kamala Harris was encouraged to excel academically and pursue her passions. Her early years was spent in a culturally rich environment that exposed her to diverse perspectives and experiences. Kamala Harris attended high school in Montreal, Canada, where her mother was working at the Jewish General Hospital. This international experience broadened her worldview and deepened her understanding of global issues. Upon returning to California, Kamala pursued higher education at Howard University, a historically black university in Washington, D.C. At Howard, she majored in political science and economics and became involved in student activism. Advocating for civil rights and social justice. Her time and Howard was informative, influencing her future careers choices and her commitment to public service. After graduating from Howard University, Kamala Harris attended the University of California, Hastings College of the Law, where she earned her Juris Doctor's degree. Her early legal career began as a deputy district attorney in the country of California. District Attorney, Alameda County, California. In this role, she focused on prosecuting cases related to gang violence, domestic violence, and sexual assaults. Her work was characterized by her dedications to justice and her ability to handle complex cases with sensitivity and skill. In 2004, Kamala was elected as the District Attorney of San Francisco. During her tenure, she implemented several key reforms aimed at improving the criminal justice system. Her initiatives included focusing on juvenile crime prevention, supporting victims of domestic violence, and addressing issues related to drug offense. Kamala's approach to criminal justice emphasized rehabilitations and preventions rather than solely punitive measures. One notable achievement during her times as district attorney was the establishment of the San Francisco City Attorney Officers Program for reentry and rehabilitations. This program aimed to reduce recidivism by providing support and resources to individuals transitioning back into society after incarcerations. Kamala's effort in this area demonstrated her commitment to creating a more equitable and effectiveness justice system. In 2010, Kamala Harris was elected as the Attorney General of California, making her the first woman and the first black woman. First black woman to hold this position. Her tenure as Attorney General was marked by significant achievement and challenges. One of her major initiatives was addressing the foreclosure crisis that has severely impacted California homeowners during the Great Recession. Harris led investigations into the practice of major banks and negotiated a landmark settlement that provided relief to affected homeowners. Harris also focused on criminal justice reforms during her time as Attorney General. She champions measures aimed to promoting rehabilitations and improving the state's approaches to drug offenses. Her leadership in this area, including supporting the implementations of the Smart on Crime initiative, which aim to reduce mandatory minimum sentences for non-violent drug offences and invest in diversions programs for individuals with substance abuse issues. In addition to her work on criminal justice and consumer protections, Harris was involved in the environmental justice and workers' rights. She took actions against corporations that violated environmental regulations and worked to protect workers from exploitations and unsafe working conditions. Her bold approach to public service highlighted her commitment to addressing a range of issues affecting California. In 2016, Kamala Harris was elected as the U.S. Senator from California. Her time in the Senate was marked by her active involvement in debates and her roles as a prominent voice on key issues. Harris served on several important committees, including the Senate Judiciary Committee, where she gained national recognitions for her incisive questioning of Supreme Court nominees and other high-profile witnesses. During her Senate tenure, Harris worked on a variety of legislative issues. She supported the First Step Act, a bipartisan bill aimed at reducing mass incarcerations and providing better rehabilitation opportunity for inmates. Her work on criminal justice reforms, including advocating for changes to the federal sentencing system and promoting legislations to address To the health system. Harris was also involved in effort to expand access to healthcare and address the opioid crisis. She supported the Affordable Care Act and worked on initiatives to improve mental health service and substance abuse treatment. Her legislative her efforts extended to the environmental policy, where she advocated for measures to combat climate change and protect natural resources. In addition to her committee work and legislative initiatives, Harris was known for her ability to build and work across party lines. Her approach to politics emphasizes collaborations and finding common ground on important issues, which earned her respect from colleagues and constituents alike in 2020. In 2020, Kamala Harris made history by being chosen as Joe Biden's running mate in the presidential election. Her selection as the vice presidential candidate was a historic moment as she became the first female black and South Asian vice president of the United States. The Biden-Harris campaign focused on key issues such as healthcare reforms, economic recovery, and racial justice, and their platforms resonated with a diverse electorate. Since taking office on January 2021, Vice President Harris has been a key player in the Biden administration. Her role in managing the COVID-19 response has included efforts to increase vaccine distributions, support public health measures, and address disparities in healthcare access. Harris has also been involved in economic recovery efforts, advocating for relief package and supporting and supporting of affected communities. In addition to her domestic responsibilities, Harris has played a role in foreign policy. She has worked on strengthening international relations and addressing global challenges. She has worked on strengthening international relations and addressing global challenges such as climate change and human rights. Her leadership in these areas has been instrumental in shaping and the administration's approach to both domestic and international issues. Kamala Harris' personal life has also been a subject of public interest. She is married to Doug Imhoff, who serves as the second gentleman of the United States. The couple's blended family includes dogs who children from a previous marriage, Ella and Cole. Kamala and Dov's relationship has been characterized by their mutual support and shared commitment to public service. Talking about the personal life, Harris is known of her interest in literature, cooking, and fitness. She has spoken about the importance of the maintaining a balanced life and finding time for personal patience amid her demanding careers. Kamala's love for cooking is well known, and she has shared her favorite recipes and experiences with the public. Her fitness routines includes regular workouts and activities that help her stay energized and focused. As Vice President, Kamala Harris continues to work on the Biden administration's priorities. Her current focus includes addressing ongoing challenges such as the COVID-19 pandemic, economic recovery, and social justice. And social justice issues. How its influence extends across various policies areas, and her efforts are shaping the future of American politics. Looking ahead, Kamala Harris' future in politics remains a topic of speculations. Her role as vice president has positioned her as a key figure in the Democratic Party, and her potential future aspirations are of great interest to many observers. Whether she will run for higher office or continue her work as a vice president, her impact on American politics and public policy will continue to evolve. Thank you so much again. Thank you for joining us on the extensive journey through Kamala Harris' life and careers from her early years in California. To her groundbreaking role as Vice President. Kamala Harris' story is one of the determinations, achievements, and impact. If you found this video informative, please like and share it with others, and subscribe to Global Scope News for more in-depth content. We appreciate your support, and would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until the next time, stay informed and take care.